Planning a kitchen, creating a functional and beautiful space. Assessing your needs. When planning a kitchen, it's essential to assess your needs and priorities. Consider how you use your kitchen, what activities you'll be doing there, and what features are must-haves for you. Think about your cooking habits, the number of people you'll be cooking for, and the type of appliances and storage you'll need. This will help you create a functional and efficient kitchen that meets your needs. Defining your style. Modern *, characterized by sleek lines, minimal ornamentation, and an emphasis on function and simplicity. Modern kitchens often feature bold colors, metallic finishes, and high-gloss surfaces. Traditional * features classic cabinetry, ornate details, and warm colors. Traditional kitchens often incorporate natural materials, such as wood, and feature decorative molding and trim. Rustic * incorporates natural materials, such as wood and stone, and often features earthy colors and textures. Rustic kitchens can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Coastal *, characterized by light, airy colors and textures, and often features nautical themes and motifs. Coastal kitchens can make a space feel bright and cheerful. Designing the layout. Work triangle *, ensure the sink, stove, and refrigerator form a triangle to promote efficient workflow and reduce walking distances. This layout can help you move easily between tasks and reduce fatigue. Zone cooking *, divide the kitchen into zones, such as cooking, prep, and storage, to optimize functionality. This layout can help you stay organized and focused while cooking. Traffic flow *, consider the flow of traffic in the kitchen and ensure there's enough space to move around comfortably. A well-designed kitchen should allow for easy movement and minimize congestion. Choosing materials and finishes. Cabinets *. Select cabinets that fit your style and budget, and consider factors like material, finish, and storage capacity. Cabinets can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, MDF, and laminate. Countertops *, choose countertops that are durable, easy to clean, and fit your design aesthetic. Popular countertop materials include granite, quartz, and marble. Flooring *, select flooring that's durable, slip-resistant, and easy to clean. Popular flooring options include hardwood, tile, and laminate. Backsplash *, choose a backsplash that complements your countertops and cabinets, and is easy to clean. Popular backsplash materials include tile, glass, and stainless steel. Tips for planning a kitchen. Measure twice *, measure your space carefully to ensure accurate planning and avoid costly mistakes. Take into account any obstructions, such as plumbing fixtures or electrical outlets. Consider lighting *. Plan for adequate lighting, including task lighting, ambient lighting, and natural light. Lighting can greatly impact the functionality and ambience of your kitchen.